Ideal for infants and toddlers, the Splash-About FloatSuit is an easy-to-wear swim aid that can be tailored to each child's individual needs. Its unique design is available in 3 different styles, each with UPF 50+ protection built in as standard. Designed to build your child's confidence, the FloatSuit leaves your child's arms and legs free to kick, whilst its unique design positions your child in the correct swimming position. The suit is made from chlorine-resistant, high-quality UPF 50+ fabrics with an easy-change zipper. There are 16 removable floats that can be reduced in matching opposite pairs, half a pocket at a time, to provide maximum control. It comes in a number of styles to suit all needs, including a UV version with shoulder and neck collar coverage. When in use, it's important to ensure your child's shoulders are at water level. Sitting too high will cause tipping. Ensure your child is wearing the right size garment and reduce floats until the desired level is achieved. Gradually allow your child to gain their balance, holding their hands and encouraging them to tread water. It may take a few attempts for your child to gain their balance before you can let go.